Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another exciting video. It's a bag unboxing. I recently went to Louis Vuitton to pick out a new bag because when I spotted this one online, I'm like, I need to have it. So that's what I'm going to be sharing with you today, a little unboxing. I always love these videos because I think they're just so much fun to see the excitement of unboxing the bag. Before we get started, if you have not already, definitely hit that subscribe button below if you want to see more bag reviews. I do a lot of designer bag reviews. I do lots of hauls and tutorials and get ready with me style videos. So if you like that, definitely hit subscribe. Also, if you are subscribed and you haven't hit that notification bell below, that will actually notify you when I upload a new video so you don't miss out. So I'm going to get right into this. I'm really excited to share this, and I think this bag is just so me, and it may have a detail of one of my favorite colors. So I got this at the Louis Vuitton store in King of Prussia. They have a really nice selection there, and it's a really nice store. So so this is, obviously, you're probably familiar with what the bag looks like, and then they come in a really nice sturdy box. And I have not unboxed it yet. This is like a true unboxing, so we're unboxing it together. And it has a cute little ribbon on it, and I love their boxes because they're really nice quality. And this, they actually, because in the past they used to just be like a regular flip open box, but this one flips open with a magnet, so it's a really nice quality box. It's very sturdy, very heavy, so if you do want to store your bag in it, it's very, very sturdy, so it won't crush the bag or anything. So yeah, it has a magnetic flap here, and then we get to the bag here. It's in its dust bag. Okay, I'm so excited for this bag. Can we guess what color this bag is? So I got the Clapton PM Louis Vuitton bag. This is in the Damier Ebene, I hope I'm saying that correctly, print. But I've never owned a Louis Vuitton with the Damier Ebene print. I've always had the Azure print, so I'm really excited to own this bag. And let me actually get the strap out for you guys as it's in here. They actually still have the plastic on the bag, which is really, really nice. But I'm going to pull out the strap so I can show you guys the whole bag. Okay, so I just put the strap on. It is a crossbody bag or even a shoulder bag, whatever you'd rather. It's adjustable strap, which is really, really nice, and it's actually a really nice length on me. As I said, this is the pink detail here. It's in the shade Magnolia Pink, so it's very, very gorgeous. It's perfect for fall coming up. It'll be really pretty with my outfits. I'm just so excited to style this bag. I actually think this bag is pretty spacious, so I can't wait to stuff. To open it, this still has the plastic on it. I don't want to take it off yet, I guess, just because I'm afraid of getting it scratched up. So until the first time I wear it, I'll just keep the plastic on. Actually, it may even be coming off right now a little bit. But it has an LV little emblem on the front. Hope you can see that. And then when you lift it up, it's all pink interior. Oh my goodness, I love this bag so much. This bag was made in France, which I'm really excited about. If you're into Louis Vuitton, then you know you'll love that little detail. But it opens up, and then it has actually quite a few compartments. It has a middle section here with a zipper, and then so there's a section in here to put stuff, the large section here, and then there's even 2 pockets inside to put other things like lipstick or something like that. Also, I love that this bag has a back flap, so you could even just throw your phone in the back, so then it's just, you know, readily available and you don't have to dig into the bag, so it's just something to grab in and out of the bag. It's a nice, I like this little back feature. It's like a hidden pocket. So I love, love, love this bag. As I said, I just cannot wait to wear this one. This is gorgeous. Seriously, so pretty. Another detail which I actually forgot to mention, but it's really pretty. I love how this bag has the leather piping on the side with the pink, so it continues all the way through on the bottom and the side, so I love that. So when you're looking at the bag from the side, you still see a little hint of pink there, which is really pretty. I was a little concerned about color transfer getting this bag, but being that this is mainly all the canvas section here, the sales associate told me that I shouldn't have to really worry too much, you know. But just as far as this section here, which you're not going to be really rubbing denim right here on the back, you know, it's mainly going to rub right here. So I like that about it. So I'm very excited about this bag because it's just so darling. So I hope you enjoyed my bag unboxing on my Louis Vuitton Clapton PM bag. If you have any questions about the bag at all, or if you want to see me do a what's in my bag with this and like a bag review, give this video a thumbs up so I know to do one, and I would love to share that with you guys. So if you have any questions, as I said, definitely leave them in the comments below. I love chatting with you guys, and that's it for today's video, and I will see you all in my next one very soon. Bye!